YouTube channel. This is 𝒲ℴ𝓂𝒶𝓃, and today I am showing you guys how I achieve this flexi rod style that I've done for my brother's graduation today. So, and kind of bear with me too because I kind of lost my voice. So the first thing that I've done is use the foam things that you put on your head first. And I just do like at least 3 or 4 locks into one head. And you grab the flexi rod that you want to use. I got some smaller locks and some thick locks, and the sizes vary. And I really just do it like that. So and I know that y'all gonna see in a little bit, like, it's gonna be wonky. But it's okay though, cause your girl gonna get it together. She gonna get it together. She definitely gonna get it together, but yeah, that's all I basically do. Is just use the foam part and then on damp hair and just kind of do it just like that. This is my first time using the flexi rods. I know other times when I've used like the perm rods with the foam with it, it actually comes out great as well. But since I don't have any of that on me, so the only decision that I can use is like the flexi rods. So and you just keep on going with the same repetition all over your head. So as you see it right now, so I'm gonna keep on let myself do the talking. So I just got that little bit of left. I know that most of it I did this off camera, so I think I have is about 4 locks left, something like that. I can't remember, but I'm on this last section right here, and you just sit there, spray your lock tonic on your hair and put the foam on your hair. And you want to do this foam kind of towards down like the root part, and then to like the rest and the end. And then you want to sit there and you want to ravel it, and then you want to sit there, hold it tight, and just put it just like that and put that in. So this is what it looks like, after with the flexi I really just kind of left this in overnight anyway until that next morning. So next day, and I had this in since 5 p.m. So the best thing to do with the flexi rod is, to cover up at night is have a big bonnet like what I got on. So, and then afterwards, all I just basically do, which you'll see in a few, is start from the back and taking the flexi rods out, and then you just make your way up to the front. I know that it's not gonna look like perfect and stuff like that, but y'all gotta also remember too, like, I do have a undercut, so it's gonna kind of look I don't know what to call it, but it's gonna kind of look like a bob-ish, a little bit like a bob hairstyle, but with curls on it. So I basically, like I said, just taking it down. As you can see, that curl right there, he did his thing, and you just keep on going. Okay, so I basically took down all the flexi rods out, and as you can see, look at them curls. And yes, I did shake afterwards so it could kind of like flow. But look at them curls, y'all. Like, look at them. I'm really not mad at this. Like I said, I'm really not mad at it. I like the way the curls and stuff turned out to be. It was unexpected anyway because of the summer fad. Like, my hair is kind of shoulder length, so but this is the final look. Other than that, thank you guys for tuning into my channel, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.